we'll have to do this, man. Let me tell you.
Yeah, this
Shit's been on there forever. Hopefully the stuff comes out, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I gotta. We gotta take this stuff out of the way. You gotta take that air tube out.
Yeah, was it just bolt up to the
See the
intercooler?
secondary air injection? It's gotta come out.
Yeah.
And this tube, see this tube right here? This other one, this thing's in the way. That's gotta come off. And that goes to the back of the motor. So we're gonna be taking a lot of shit apart. Tons.
Yeah, the exhaust, because on the 3.0 turbos, it's just one single piece.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's compact, that's for sure.
Oh,
The manifold and the turbo in one.
It's tight.
The new one's over here.
Take it out. Put it on the phone. I was looking at that Volkswagen last night.
Yeah.
Got some turbo for it. Or coils and plugs. That's
Oh, that Volkswagen needs it? Yeah. I want, they have a, you know what those engravings are like?
Yeah, they're for the air injection, secondary air injection. Yeah. Crazy, right?
Huh?
The tube goes in there.
Yeah. And then
air injection.
And then what does it do? Pump air into the...
Yeah, when you first start the car, it adds extra air for emissions. So it runs, you know what I mean?
Oil everywhere because the turbo was just pressurizing the whole engine.
God.
Holy. What was that?
That's the intercooler.
That's it. Holy shit.
Go ahead. Look what happened. Let's pull the hose off for the intercooler, dude. I got a quart of oil out of the intercooler.
Oh my gosh.
Shit.
Jesus. That is really bad. So, like I was just saying, the engine is pressurizing, I mean the turbo is pressurizing the engine and just blowing through seals, just spraying oil in everywhere, and as you can see, the seals in the turbo are bad and just filled that engine intercooler with oil. Damn. Oh my. Oh.
Might be able
You mean this hose?
Yeah, I might be able to.
This hose goes right here, Mark. It goes into this.
I know, but this tube right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. It just goes on the front cylinder. There must be one for the back. Okay, well that's fine. So we can unscrew that and we can cut the hose clamp. And we can take that out. That's bolted to this bracket right here, see?
Oh yeah.
So we gotta get some of the ground wires off it first. This might not even work.
Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3 T40s you said holding in this tube, and then try and take that bracket off. Just have the Torx there, this bracket holds this tube.
Where is it? And inside turbo line. It's way the fuck down there. You have to get it from underneath, right? It's the only way.
Want to take the downpipe off while we can?
Yeah.
It's 3
See,
bolts.
You gotta loosen these bolts up. Get that bracket so you can move this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, get out of our way. I see one of those lines where it's bolted up to the head, And there's a hose clamp over here.
Is it?
Yeah. Just got this loose. It goes to the flame trap right there on a 90-degree elbow. When I did the intake, when I did the valve cover gaskets, that was broke
Yeah.
on the one that I did.
It's not clamped, huh?
No, so I think you should just be able to pry that off, and then we can pull this whole
Yeah,
bar
I
and
don't know
bracket
if I
out.
can get at it. And then
Here's that pipe.
you gotta suck the antifreeze out of it. Or pull the hose, whatever.
This goes right into the flame trap. I'm gonna take this radiator hose out and drain all the coolant. It might be hard to see, but right straight down there is the hose clamp. Unscrew that, drain all the coolant out. We just take the bolts out holding the exhaust on. So we'll pull the exhaust off and then pull the intercooler hose off here and just keep plucking away. Soak up those bolts a lot because they've been in there for like 140,000 miles this engine has. And when we get the turbo out, you see how wobbly the shaft is. It is really bad.
It'll clean out on its own, you know.
Yeah. So we just drain the coolant.
Cool. It's all coming out. A
A little bit.
See?
Yeah, loosen those two up.
That's all you gotta do.
And then we're gonna drain the oil. I'm gonna take this oil line off. And then the oil return line, the two little Torx, E-Torx, right there. And then the bracket holding it to the block. Got all the lines off. All right.
Bottom. We got two off.
Yeah.
Two more to go.
So we're gonna take out the engine cooling fans. They're up here and here, and then it is held in by what looks like a 10, probably someone changed that, or an 8, and another one down there. Sometimes there's a bolt in the center and the bottom, just picking up a nut that dropped.
Yeah, it'll be fucking, I'll be working on it for fucking 3 days.
Then you might as well pull the tranny too. If the rear main seal is blown, we'll find out.
Don't even say that, dude. If it is, I'm taking next week off. You won't see me.
So dipstick tubes out,
Yeah,
and then
the corner bolt.
the last one is right in the corner.
Yep.
You can see it.
Sorry, shot. Sucks. Sucks. Where the pipes are, the position of them.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's a good idea.
You can see no play. No shaft play. Comparative to oil coming out of the intake side, which shouldn't be that much. Not like that.
Or 6 taps. Yeah, they're deep. Wow.
So we are stuck with where'd the old one go? So this is the gasket that we got, and you can see it's not meant for secondary air. So gotta order a new one somewhere. Saab. These are not available. These are. That's where we got this one. This one is not. You can see. I put all this. I retapped all the studs and put them all in. There's 7 of them. Took a little bit of time, but. Who wouldn't beat this car up, but some people, like, look at all the oil. Holy crap. Some people rather have just barely working than perfect. Yeah, look at how wet that is. You know what I mean? Like, they don't want to spend $100,000, especially on a car like this that's old and crappy and has a bit of miles on it, like 140, so yeah, there's oil everywhere we're gonna have to clean up. But yeah, some people, it's hard. Some people would just fucking scrap this thing. I would. So, you can see. This goes through the bracket that's part of this. From this bracket, that tube right there, and then that's the flame trap that gets over there. That tube was pretty hard, but it wasn't broke. One time when I was doing the gasket, it broke. Valve cover gasket, it was broken.
The other thing too.
Yeah, we got to put that in, and then we got to put the. Let's clean those off, Mark.
This one goes to the. This one goes to the right here, the dipstick. These are the ones you need right here. 40.
So just put the secondary air injection in. Three T40s or whatever. Don't forget to put your grounds on. Put a new clamp there. Got to put the radiator fans in. Intake tube. And this, well, this intake tube and the turbo.
This one. This is how it works, huh? It's gonna sing like a canary or not?
Hope
It's
so.
gonna puke fucking 8 quarts of oil out the rear main seal.
Hoping for the good one. There's fun bolts, and the bolt is screwed in. Got a new clamp too. That's nice.
Gotta put the heat shield on it.
Bolt right there holding the intake on. Then there's that tube we have to put on right
Yep.
there.
The heat shield.
Heat shield. This goes on the intercooler, and then bypass
Yeah.
valve there, boost pressure sensor, and then right into the throttle body. Oh yeah, the map sensor's over there anyway. All done.
Yeah, the question is it done though?
Is it done?
Huh?
Is it done?
I don't know.
That's a mixed up green.
Right here. Just in the bucket. Is it in there?
Yeah, that.
It's thirsty.
Super fill.
Yeah, really.
It's already smoking. Smoke coming from all the stuff we sprayed on the exhaust and the turbo. All the oils and stuff burns off. Getting smoky now.
We'll see in a minute.
Probably nothing serious, you know.
Probably the boost pressure sensor, dirty, random misfire.
Only random misfires.
Yeah, you know why? Because it had oil. Yeah.
Yeah, from all the shit, bad turbo oil and. Starting to get a little smokier.